If you're looking at a Roland TD-27KV2 online right now wondering if this 2026 flagship electronic drum kit is worth its premium price tag, you are in exactly the right place. I'm going to give you the definitive, no BS review you need, but here's what surprised me immediately. This isn't just an incremental update. Therefore, let me show you something that will make you rethink everything you know about digital drums. For the best price, click the link in the description. /N/N, let's get right into it. We've got the TD-27KV2 unpacked and set up. It looks expensive, feels expensive, and the price tag certainly confirms that. You're probably thinking, is this just a glorified TD-27KV with a fancy new paint job? That's a fair question. But here's the first twist. Roland didn't just tweak the firmware. They fundamentally rewired the brain. I'll prove it /N/N first, the physical package. You get the new TD-27 module, the updated V-pad snare, 3 PDX-100 toms, a kick pad, the CY16R crash, CY18 Dr. Ride, and the hi-hat. It's a substantial, professional-looking rig. The build quality is, as always, impeccable. Roland doesn't cut corners on materials. However, assembling it, I noticed something odd. A cable felt different, more robust. That's a tiny detail, but it speaks to a philosophy. They're sweating the small stuff. But why? What does that mean for the sound? /N/N, let's power it on. The module interface is familiar but refreshed. We dive straight into the preset kits. Default Kit 1, and wow, that's the contrarian snapback. The sound isn't just coming from the speakers, it's coming from the pads themselves. The new snare V-pad has a texture, a response that I haven't felt on any electronic kit before. It's not just hitting a trigger, it's interacting with a surface. This is the immediate value, tactile authenticity. But is that just marketing hype, or can you actually feel the difference while playing? Let's test it with a simple groove, /N/N playing a basic backbeat. There's a clear, tangible rebound. The head feels alive. It's not a dead rubber pad. This is the first mini promise. I'll show you how this new physical design directly translates to expressive playing. Therefore, we need to talk about the new digital snare and digital ride technology. They're not just buzzwords. They're separate, dedicated processors inside the module for those two pads alone. That means your snare and ride cymbal have their own dedicated sound computers, freeing up the main CPU for everything else. The result, zero latency, zero processing lag, even when you're layering 5 effects on your toms. But does that matter for a home studio drummer? Let's find out. /N/N, I'm going to load up a complex kit with lots of layered samples and effects. Then I'll play a busy fill across all pads. Listen, no choking, no digital artifacts. The sound remains pristine even under extreme load. That's the promise of a true professional-grade instrument. It won't fall apart when you push it. Therefore, your creativity isn't capped by the technology. But here's a joke for you. My first electronic kit was so laggy, I'd finish a fill and the sound would arrive by postal service 3 days later. This thing is more immediate than my regrettable decision to text my ex. /N/N now, the sounds. The TD-27KV2 comes with over 700 preset kits and a massive library of instruments. The acoustic drum models are breathtaking. The nuance is insane. You can hear the difference between a slight off-center snare hit and a dead-center crack. The ride cymbal has authentic bell, bow, and edge responses that are musical, not just triggered samples. It feels like you're shaping the sound, not just triggering it. However, with so many kits, you might get lost in menu diving. That's a potential problem. So I'll show you the shortcut that saves hours. /N/N, the quick kit recall feature. One button press lets you jump between your 10 favorite customized kits instantly. No scrolling. This is a game changer for live playing or session work. You can go from a dry jazz kit to a processed rock monster in a millisecond. Therefore, your workflow is streamlined. But what about creating your own perfect kit? Is it a nightmare? Let's dive into the module's editing suite. /N/N, it's deep. You can tweak everything. Head material, shell depth, mic placement, room ambience, even the moisture content of the air. Okay, not that last one, but it's incredibly detailed. It might seem overwhelming, but Roland's new coach feature is basically a virtual sound engineer inside the module. It asks you questions. Do you want more attack, less ring? And then applies the appropriate parameters. It's like having a pro producer in your garage, and he doesn't charge hourly. That's the second mini promise. I'll prove that this depth is accessible, not just for tech geeks. /n/n, let's build a custom snare. Using the coach, we dial in a tight, high-pitched crack. Then we assign it to our V-pad. Now, playing it, the response matches the sound perfectly. The pad's feel and the audio output are in harmony. This is where the investment pays off. Cohesion. The instrument is a unified system, not a collection of separate parts. But can it handle the delicate stuff? Let's talk about dynamics and the hi-hat. /n/n, the new VH14D hi-hat included here is legendary. Its openness control is sublime. You can play feather-light chick sounds and powerful sloshes with total accuracy. The pedal feel is the closest to a real hi-hat I've ever experienced on an e-kit. Therefore, your hi-hat work will translate directly to your playing improvement. It's not a limitation, it's a teacher. But here's a joke. My old e-kit hi-hat was so binary, it was either closed or open, like a bad relationship. This one has all the nuanced, confusing shades of gray of a healthy one. /n/n now, the elephant in the room, the price. It's a serious investment. You're comparing it to other kits, maybe the TD-27KV2 or even acoustic drums. That's the crucial debate. But here's the contrarian snapback on cost. This isn't just a purchase, it's a long-term platform. The TD-27 module is future-proofed with insane connectivity and expansion options. I'll show you one that blew my mind. /n/n, the USB-C port isn't just for audio out. It's a direct multi-channel interface into your computer. You can record each pad as a separate track in your DAW simultaneously. That means you can record your snare, kick, toms, and cymbals all on individual tracks for mixing in one take. No submixes, no compromises. Therefore, your recording quality is studio-grade from your bedroom. But does that justify the cost for a hobbyist? Let's talk about the hidden value. Silent practice. /n/n, you can play this kit at 3 a.m. with headphones. Your neighbors will love you. Your family will love you. You will love your own progress because you can practice anytime. That's a benefit you can't quantify. It turns months of progress into weeks. However, just playing silently isn't enough. You need to grow, so let's look at the onboard coaching tools. /n/n, the module has built-in exercises, a metronome with every subdivision imaginable, and play-along songs. It's a full practice suite. It will critique your timing, your consistency, and your stamina. Therefore, the kit isn't a passive instrument, it's an active teacher. That's a return on investment you won't get from a cheaper, barebones kit. But let's be real, the fun part is playing loud, right? Let's hook it to an amp. /n/n through a PA system, the sound is monstrous and crystal clear. The dynamic range is preserved. It feels like playing a great acoustic kit in a treated room. There's power, depth, and clarity. You won't feel like you're playing a digital instrument. You'll feel like a drummer. However, there's one potential pitfall I must warn you about. The default settings can be too perfect. /n/n, the pristine sounds might lack the grit you want for rock or metal. That's a common gripe. So here's the fix, diving into the ambience and mic noise parameters. You can add the subtle dirt, the slight imperfections that make drums sound real and human. I'll show you the exact settings I use for a grunge kit. Therefore, you can have both perfection and character. But wait, there's another surprise about the cymbals. /n/n, the CY18 Dr. Ride has a new quick edit button right on the cymbal itself. Tap it and you can cycle through ride types without touching the module. From ping to crash ride to sizzle. It's genius for on-the-fly changes during a song. This is the kind of thoughtful design that shows Roland is listening to players. It solves a real-world problem. But can the whole system handle a brutal, heavy-hitting session? Let's test its durability. /n/n, I'm going to wail on this kit for a minute. Not just playing, but really attacking it. The response stays consistent. The pads don't choke, the triggers don't miss, the structure doesn't wobble. This is built for the long haul, for decades of use. Therefore, your investment is protected. It's not a disposable gadget. It's an heirloom quality instrument. But here's a joke. I hit it so hard my cat ran away, but the TD-27KV2 just asked for more. It's more resilient than my ego after a bad gig. /N/N. Let's talk about the competition. Compared to other high-end kits from brands like Yamaha or Alesis, the Roland stands out in one key area: integrated ecosystem. The sounds, the pads, the brain are all designed as one cohesive unit. That synergy is what you're paying for. It's the difference between a collection of parts and a musical instrument. However, some competitors might offer bigger pads or more cymbals for less money. That's a trade-off. Therefore, your decision hinges on whether you value holistic quality or maximum physical size. I'll give you my personal take. /N/N for recording, practice, and expressive playing. The TD-27KV2's quality wins. For a live visual stage show where huge pads look impressive, maybe you consider something else. But the Roland's compact design is actually a benefit for most home studios. It fits where acoustic drums won't. That's a practical win. Now, the final major point: updates and longevity. /N/N Roland supports their flagship products for years with firmware updates that add new features and sounds. The TD-27KV2 is a platform that will evolve. You're buying into a future, not a static product. Therefore, it won't be obsolete in 2 years. But is there anything I genuinely dislike? One thing: /N/N the stock cables, while high quality, are a specific length. If you have a non-standard setup, you might need extensions. That's a minor annoyance, but worth noting. It's like buying a premium car and finding the seatbelt is just a tiny bit short. Not a deal-breaker, but a quirk. Therefore, plan your layout before you unbox everything. Now, let's bring this all together for the resolution. /N/N. So, is the Roland TD-27KV2 worth the investment in 2026? If you are a serious drummer, whether you're a practicing hobbyist aiming to improve, a home studio recorder needing pristine tracks, or a gigging musician wanting a reliable, versatile tool, then yes, unequivocally yes. It's not for the absolute beginner looking for a cheapest entry point, but for anyone who has moved past that stage and demands an instrument that responds, inspires, and grows with them. This is a worthy centerpiece for your musical life. The contrarian snapback conclusion: the high price isn't a barrier, it's a filter. It ensures you're getting a tool for those ready to commit to their craft. It rewards that commitment with unparalleled performance. Therefore, if you're at that point, this kit will not disappoint you. It will excite you every time you sit down to play. It removes technological limits and puts the focus back on your hands and your creativity. That's the ultimate value. /N/N I've shown you the immediate tactile response, the zero-lag brain, the studio-ready recording, and the practice-enhancing features. You now know exactly what this kit offers and what it demands. The curiosity loop is closed, the promise delivered. If you've decided this is the kit for your next decade of drumming, then my final job is to point you to the best place to get it. Don't just search randomly and hope for a deal. For the absolute best price on the Roland TD-27KV2 right now, click the link in the description below. I've arranged a direct link to the current top vendor on Amazon. You'll get the genuine kit with full support at the best available price. That's my final call to action. Click the link and start playing the drums you've been hearing in your head. Go make some noise. Or, some beautifully silent, headphone-only, perfectly recorded noise. But here's one last joke. Buying this kit is the only decision where spending a lot of money will actually save you money, because you'll stop buying all the cheaper kits that disappoint you along the way. Therefore, do it right the first time. Click the link